Good morning and welcome to EST Tool Machine in Broadhead, Kentucky. We're an ISO certified company and I'll walk you through our process. We start with steel receiving. We cut a purchase order for everything we buy and we get certified steel. We receive the material and we check it for accuracy and size and type because we've already had all this stuff programmed before it shows up. So once the material is received, we're ready to go on the machine providing everything's correct. You can see we have a large amount of vertical machining centers. We have a lot of redundancy built into our process in case we have machine problems along the way. We can still meet delivery for the customer as we quoted it. We largely cater to the forging industry. You'll see a lot of forging dies and various forging components on the machines. "84" verticals are our largest vertical machining centers. We have 2 of those. We have 4 64 machines. Back to having plenty of redundancy to make sure we can meet your delivery in a timely manner. We have 10 overhead cranes in this facility. We go from 5 tons up to 20 tons. We run 3 shifts here, 5 days a week, with the occasional half a day on Saturday if we need to increase the capacity, get delivery to you as you need it. Step over here, you can see our tool crib. Everything's pretty automated in the tool crib. We have a Zoller presetter. We preset all the tools, bring them out to the machines. Have Zoller scanners on the machine so we can input all the data right in the machine tools, eliminating errors. We've invested in a couple new Mazak machines, mostly for aluminum forging dies. We get a little better surface finish out of this equipment. Aluminum forgings require better finish than the steel forging equipment. So currently a small forging die in there running a speeder head to get the surface finish requirements that are after small radiuses, small tools. We're going back to our lathe department. We have 3 CNC lathes. Our latest investment was a large Mazak with live tooling. This increases our capacity and allows for better throughput with the live tools. Here's another one of our 84 machines running some bolster components for a customer. Now we'll go over to our horizontal boring mills. These are all CNC boring mills. 95 is our largest capacity. We can put 23,000 pounds on the table. Do a lot of bolster work on these machines, rams. There's a smaller ram on our smaller boring mill now. We have a full-time maintenance man, keeps all the equipment well maintained, make sure we're maintaining accuracy for your components. Here's some forging dies and some other peripheral components for crankshaft pistons. I have about 8 smaller vertical machining centers to take care of the sub-assemblies and peripheral components. You'll find we have all the necessary support equipment, radial drills, grinders, wire EDMs. In-house inspection with a Faro 3D arm. And engineering utilizing SolidWorks and Mastercam for programming. Our engineering offices. Have several people in here programming the machines. Before the material hits the floor, we've already got this stuff programmed, ready to go.
Our engineering department plays a crucial role in translating our customers' needs and requirements and preparing them for manufacturing. The first step in our engineering process is processing our customers' CAD data and technical information into models and drawings. If our customer doesn't have a model, we are prepared with SOLIDWORKS to create our own models with their approval. If our customer does have a model, we're able to take that model and add details that may help us in our manufacturing, such as tooling ball holes, detailed here. In every event, we make our own custom drawings for the shop floor. This is to cut down on any data that may be lost from metric to English conversion. And this is also to add details that are critical for our own manufacturing processes that we have developed rather than just for general information. After we're done with our CAD data processing, we prepare for CAM programming. We use Mastercam to program our CNC vertical mills, horizontal mills, and lathes. This is an example of this forging hammer after programming in Mastercam. Another function our engineering department plays for EST is the programming and operation of our suite of FDM 3D printers. We have a wide array of polymer capability, and we have some of the most state-of-the-art printers available.
Our inspection room, we do 3D scanning utilizing a ferro arm. Gives a nice color graph of the accuracy of the dies of the components.
Hello, I'm Bo Parker. I am the sales manager here at the EST Tool Machine. This is the office where we get all of our customer inquiries and do all of our quoting here. So with EST, we just recently signed on to do ProShop with our ERP system. And with ProShop, we use a lot of customer information to put in to make sure we're capturing all of the correct data. We create estimates here in ProShop, and within the estimate, we also have part numbers that are created. So when we go through this, we'll basically break down the routings here and allot time to get the job done. And from there, we generate a quote. And from there, we send that over to the customer. We put all of our terms and conditions in there, as well as pertinent information from the customer that we feel that should be relayed on the quote to make sure we've covered our bases here and are meeting our customers' needs. As you know, that's how we retain our business is customer satisfaction.